This large self-adhesive photo album offers generous page dimensions and enough capacity to comfortably organize an entire family's worth of standard vacation and event photos in one place. The linen-wrapped hardcover feels sturdy and refined, giving the album a coffee table look, while also shielding the contents from everyday wear. Its acid-free, repositionable sticky pages make it easy to arrange different photo sizes, fix mistakes, and keep prints and handwritten notes from yellowing over time. A solid metal binding shaft keeps the pages turning smoothly without loosening, so the album holds up well even when it is handled frequently by kids and guests. The included metal pen and plastic board encourage creative layouts, turning the album into a true scrapbook for travel stories, baby milestones, school memories, or wedding highlights. Thoughtful packaging and the keepsake-friendly design make this album a heartfelt choice for gifting to parents, newlyweds, or anyone who loves preserving shared moments.